How to see who blocked you in Telegram. I'm going to show you how you can easily see who blocked you in Telegram. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your chats. Next, tap on any chat in your chat list where you suspect you might be blocked. This could be an individual or a group chat. Once you're in the chat, tap on the person's name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile page, where you can see their information. Here, you can check for any signs of being blocked. If you can still see their profile picture and status, you're likely not blocked. However, to be more certain, go back to the chat and type a message. After typing your message, send it. If you see only one check mark next to your message, it means it wasn't delivered, indicating that you may have been blocked. If you see two check marks, it means the message was delivered and you haven't been blocked.